Welcome back to our channel French and Pinay Simple Life in the Philippines. Thank you for always watching our videos. We are a simple couple here in Bohol, Philippines. My husband is French and I am a Filipina. For those who are new to our channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you will be updated in our new videos. So for today's videos, you see Christian, you are now watching Christian opening a box of new generator that he purchased online. On my previous video, I mentioned that he got a trouble with our power supply for the new air compressor. That's why he need to purchase this new generator to supply for the power supply of the compressor. So I don't know what happened with our electric company, but the power supply is just not enough or cannot support the requirement of the air compressor. That is why Christian need to bought this new generator. So the good thing about this one, because we have also another generator, but it is a small one, and it's only I don't know exactly the correct term for it's no key to start or no battery. It's need only to pull the trigger. Not sure if my term is correct. But for this one, the new one, the good thing is that it comes with a battery and a key. So when we start to run, and only need to hit the key. So, but of course, before to start using it, Christian need to connect the battery because it's not connected, and also after that he check a lot of things prior to starting. Especially, we found out that it don't come with an oil, so in fact, he did not immediately use for the same day because he is also out of stock for the oil for the four-stroke engine. That is why he need to buy from Town Hardware. So you can see him now connecting the negative of the battery, and then after that the red one is for the positive connection. Oh, you have? Very small.
Not really.
Currently, the generator and the compressor is working good together, and Christian used a lot of the air compressor and it's very useful, and it's so many things where he can use the air compressor. And so that's all for this video. I will upload soon some multi-cab refurbishing work again, because it's so much to do for the multi-cab, and that's what makes him so busy. But of course also he did a lot of things around the small property that we have here in Bohol, Philippines. There is so much to do every day, and it's always a very good and healthy lifestyle. So thank you for watching our videos. I hope that each of you are in good health. Thank you, everyone.